Hi everyone. Today we're doing a question with a really big number, and it's 29,200 divided by 4. So Anna, I know that you like to think about taking this number and splitting into 4 equal groups.
Yeah.
So do you want to go ahead and draw some bags for us? 4 bags. I know that's how you like to picture things in your head. 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's start by just thinking about how many times or what times 4 would give you about 29,000. So let's see. So 4 times, if I put like, I don't know, let's see, 1,000.
That can fit in there, but it's not that much.
It's not that much. So we want something way bigger, right? How about 4 times 10,000?
That's too much because that's 40,000.
So that's too much. So then we have to figure out 4 times what would give us about 29,000. I'm going to leave the zeros blank here. So 4 times what would give us about 29, but just under?
Yeah, I think it's 7.
7. So 4 times 7,000, right, would give us 29,000. Or sorry, would give us 28,000. So that's pretty close. So let's start doing it that way then. I'm going to write it like this. Can you give each one of these 7,000? And I'm going to keep the running track of how many we've given out up here. So we start off with 29,200. Now, Anna, once you put 7,000 in each one, I'm going to record that up here. So 7,000, and you took away then 28,000. So you gave out 28,000. So then we're left with
1,200.
1,200. So again, 4 times what would give us about 1,200. Or 12. So
that's 4.
4 times 4.
That's 3.
4 times 3 would give us 12. Well, we need about 1,200. So can we add 2 zeros? So it's 4 times 300 equals 1,200. So go ahead and give that away to each bag then. So you're going to give each bag 300. So we gave away 28,000 first. Now we're giving away 12,000. So we've actually given everything away. So that means that 29,200 divided by 4 is equal to
7,300.
7,300. That was awesome, Anna.
Thanks. Bye, everyone.
Hi, everyone. We've got a really big number here. 29,200. We're going to divide that by 4. So 4 equal groups with this big number. So Daniel, let's start off with this number and let's just divide it by 2 to begin with, because we'll make 4 equal groups, okay? All right, so what is this divided by 2? 29,000. What's 29,000 divided by 2? Or just 29,000?
It is 15,500.
Okay, let's try 15,000, right?
14,000.
14,000. Okay, so because if we have another 15 here, then that's going to give us 30,000, right? 15,000. So no problem. Everyone's makes little typos. So we've got 14,000 and 14,000, but that only gives us 28,000. So we've got to do something with this other stuff. So basically, we have what? 1,200.
1.
What is it?
1.
Oh, so if we go 14,000 plus 14,000, that gives us 28,000, right?
Yes.
So that's 28,000. I'm just going to put this here so that everyone sees it. Now, if we only add 100, then we're going to have 28,200 because 100 and 100, right? So we got to add more than that.
1, 4, 5.
So let's put in the 5 then. So we'll put in 5, right? So then we have 500 plus 500, which is 1,000. So that gives us the 29,000. We still have this 200 hanging out.
1, 4, 6.
We have 1, so 14,600. That's a big number, right? 14,600. Okay, so that's 29,200 into 2 equal groups. Let's do it into 4 equal groups, though. What's this divided by 2? So 14,600. What's 14,000 divided by 2? 7,300. Okay. So 7,300. We can also say this is 7,300 if we want, right? All right, we're done. There's our 4 equal groups. Started off with 29,200, put into 4 equal groups. So this is a big mouthful. So 29,200 divided by 4 is equal to
That person.
7,300. That was amazing, Daniel.